Hey folks, looking to make your money work harder for you than a standard savings account? Well, today, I'm breaking down some top alternatives that you need to know about. Let's dive right in. First off, we've got high-yield savings accounts. These bad boys offer higher interest rates compared to regular savings accounts, sometimes up to 10 times more. You're still insured by the FDIC, so your money's safe. Plus, you get the convenience of easy access to your funds. Next up, we have certificates of deposit, or CDs. Now, with CDs, you lock in your money for a set period, which can range from a few months to several years. The longer you commit, the higher the interest rate you'll get. Just remember, there's a penalty for early withdrawal, so only go for this if you won't need the cash anytime soon. Moving on, let's talk about money market accounts. These accounts blend the best of savings and checking accounts. You get higher interest rates and the flexibility to write a limited number of checks or make debit card transactions. Perfect if you need both growth and access. Another great option is Treasury Inflation Protected Securities, or TIPS. These are U.S. government bonds that adjust with inflation, ensuring your purchasing power stays intact. They're ideal for those worried about inflation eating away their savings. Lastly, consider peer-to-peer lending platforms. These platforms let you lend your money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's higher risk, but potentially higher reward. Just do your research and spread your investments to minimize risk. All right, folks, there you have it. A few solid alternatives to the traditional savings account. Remember, the goal is to make your money work harder for you. Until next time, happy saving.